Hi Strike customers, James here from Assembly, just showcasing the new iPhone 15 Pro. This cradle is for the iPhone 15 Pro in a Strike rugged case. As you can see, Apple have changed to USB-C. So here it is docking. This comes with a USB-C to USB-C for charging and compatible with your Apple CarPlay. Also comes with a built-in passive antenna which pairs with our B2 and B3. These are available in a few options. One of them being DIY, which is the windscreen mount, how it's mounted now, and that also comes with a car charger which plugs into your cigarette lighter. Also can be purchased professional install, which is a swivel mount and a DC-DC power pack which needs to be hardwired by an auto electrician. You can also buy the cradle as a head with some of our RAM products which are available on our website. This can now be purchased at www.strike.com.au. Thank you.